Hello everyone. Today we are installing another Linux based operating system which is FairyNOS. Search it on Google and you will see one of its differentiating feature which is KDE Plasma Desktop, which looks amazing. The official FairyNOS site can't be reached, so we will have to download it from DistroWatch site. I have put this link in description as well. On scrolling down, you will see all the versions of FairyNOS, and the latest one is 2022.10, which I am downloading. File size is 2.5 GB and speed is also decent. Now our ISO file is downloaded, so flash it in an USB using Rufus. Make sure you are connected to internet because it will download some additional files. Our USB is now ready and you will see all these files in it. Now boot from this USB and FairyNOS will start. This desktop really does look amazing. You can also use all these apps in live version as well. To install it, click on Install FairyNOS and setup will start. Select language and partition. You can also set it as dual boot with Windows. You will just need a separate 16 GB partition for that. After that, FairyNOS will start installing. Click on Done, then it will restart. Remove the USB, then press Enter. Again some setup and set user, then it will restart again. This is the App Store of FairyNOS, known as Vivaldi. We also have many desktops and this is the File Explorer. We also have a web browser with the same name and it is working. There is also an update manager, just like in New Linux. You should change the server to your country, which improves the download speed a lot. We also have all these apps which you can check out in free time. All these Linux operating systems are best for old PC, which have very low specs. It just comes down to which looks better. And I have made installation videos of many Linux. You will find that playlist link in description. Thanks for watching.